Hey everyone, Technoventure with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your iPhone if it's sending a green text message instead of the blue one. So let's get started. So there's multiple reasons why you might be sending only in green instead of blue. Basically, when you send something as blue, it's sending as iMessage through the internet. If it's a green, it simply means it's sending as a text message. Usually when it's green, you're sending it to someone with an Android device. But when it's blue, you're sending it to someone with the iMessage device. But how do you fix it if you've been sending someone with blue and it's all of a sudden green? You want to follow these steps. First step you want to do is put your phone on airplane mode by pulling down or pulling up the control menu. Put on airplane mode briefly like that and then turn it off. It does a quick network refresh of your cellular data and your Wi-Fi data. Now the next thing you want to ensure is that either your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working and you're connected to the internet. In order for iMessage to work, your device needs to be connected to the internet. And a quick check would be if you go to a Safari and just simply go ahead and see if you can browse and get to the internet without any issues. Again, it could be either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Now, after you have checked that you're connected to the internet, the next thing you want to do in the settings here, go into your messages here. Under the messages, make sure iMessage is turned on. And then for receive and send, make sure that your phone number is listed along with your email as well. If your phone number is in there, you might be sending as green text. So make sure both email and your phone number are listed in the send and receive section as well. Now, after you have done that and it's still not working, the next thing you could also do is turn off iMessage and then turn it back on. As you can see, it'll say waiting for activation, but you go back again and then check it out to see if it's activated. Same exact thing. Make sure the send and receive shows both your email and your phone number as well. And after you have done that and it's still not working, it's time to do a force restart on iPhone. In order to do a force restart, we're going to press and release the volume up, press and release the volume down, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo up here. So it's going to be volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to that side button just like that. And as you can see here, I'm holding on to that side button till I can get the screen to go black here. And we're going to wait. As you can see here, the screen went black, which is good. And we're going to wait for the Apple logo to appear before we let go of that side button. And this is known as a force restart. Basically shuts down the phone software and reloads the code. So if it's a software related issue impacting the phone, it will fix it for you. So as you can see here, it's normally booting up. And sometimes it doesn't work the very first time. Just keep on trying. Again, remember it's going to be volume up, volume down before you hold on to that side button. This method is safe, will not delete any of your personal data on your iPhone. And this is known as a force restart. Now, if that didn't help and you're still getting the green text messages bubble, the next thing you want to do in your settings is go to settings, general, scroll down to transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and you're going to do a network reset. Basically, a network reset or reset things like saved Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connected devices, and any other network related settings themselves. Again, will not delete any of your personal data, but it's another troubleshooting step you need to do if you're still getting that green text messages to the person that you're sending it to. Now, one thing to other consider is that if you're sending a text message to one person, it's only going green to them, but other people are going as blue. That means that person has an issue on their device. That means it's not on your phone. And it also could mean that maybe they had an iPhone before and they recently switched over to Android device, and that's why it's sending as a green text message and blue isn't working for them. So that's another thing to consider. Lastly, another thing to check is to make sure that the iMessage service is running and Apple servers are up. In order to check that, you go into any browser and search up Apple system status page. So if you go ahead and Google that, it's going to take you to the very first link, which is system status for all of the services Apple provides. So if I click on that plus icon and you want to look for iMessage, basically you want to make sure this says available. And if for some reason it says it's not available or there's an outage, you have to wait till Apple fixes it. Generally, Apple will fix it within a few hours, at most a day. But basically, this service indicates that iMessage is working for iPhones and any other iOS devices. And that's it for fixing. I hope this video helped you guys fix your iPhone not sending messages as green text messages and it's blue now. And if so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.